Hi folks, John here. Now this plant right here is called the Hyptis red. Now there is a scientific name for this plant as well. The plant comes from Brazil, and it tends to grow in, very close to a river or a marsh. Interesting thing about this plant is that, if you compare it to other aquarium plants, is the leaves are obviously lanceolate, but the leaves are a little bit crumpled, and it's got an interesting pattern. And under very bright light, this plant actually goes, super red, although it also retains some of the green color. And on the underside, you'll start to see more of a sort of burgundy color. It doesn't really require CO2, but if you complement, the plant with CO2, you've got, a nutrient-rich substrate. It's going to grow very well and give you a lush green, red, and burgundy colors. And you shouldn't get a lot of surprises. So what I mean by that is this plant's not going to spend 2-3 months just transitioning from this immersed state, which is the state that grows above the water, to the submerged state and look totally different. It'll look quite similar, except that under very high tank lights and with CO2 injection, it's going to go very bright red and burgundy, and it'll have some green undertones. So it's quite an interesting plant, the fact that, as I mentioned, it's got lanceolate leaves, but the leaves are crumpled. It's got an interesting pattern on it. And it's quite a popular plant in Australia. Thanks.